Here we are in Austin, Texas, 2013. About 60,000 other people enjoyed the races that weekend. Every day, each team, after practice or qualifying, would tear their motorcycles completely apart. Wash them with soap and water, clean them off, and of course, put them back together. After all the practices and qualifying, the riders would go back to their little offices and hang their leathers outside to dry. And sometimes if you're not in good standings with the head mechanic, not only do they hang the leathers up, but they hang you up too. Moto3 are single-cylinder 250cc engines, revs up to 14,000 RPMs. You can buy one of these engines for $15,000. They have 3 types of engines, 5 types of frames, and then you can modify the suspension and brakes as you want. They were going 140 miles an hour down the back straight. Rookies they look like a Moto3, and they are, but they're all 250cc single-cylinder KTM engines. The frames are all the same, and basically the brakes are cheaper. Everything is cheaper on them. They probably go about 120 down the straight compared to the 140. And the drivers, they're all teenagers from 12 years old all the way up to 17. To reduce costs on the Moto2s, all the machines are off-the-shelf Honda engines, 600cc, 4-cylinder, basically all the same. So is the frame. Everybody has the same frame. However, these would go 175 miles an hour down the back straight. The exhaust sound is very different from that of the 250cc. The Motogp, they're called prototypes, has well over 250 horsepower. They were doing 211 on the back straight. The teams, it costs about $2 to $3 million to do one of these teams. Motogp brought in 3 747s into Austin to transport all the motorcycles and equipment for this race, and it was good.